it's Ruby from the Ruby Piano, and today I'm going to show you the notes for the song Narco by Blasterjaxx and Timmy Trumpet. And the beginning starts off on this low little bass line sounding thing, and so we've got middle C, so we're gonna come down here to this low G sharp. So that's G, one up to the black keys, G sharp. It's not a hashtag, it's a sharp. And it makes this little pattern that sounds like, I like candy yum, I like candy yum, I like candy yum. It's really playing that note 5 times, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That pattern happens 8 times. And then it starts into the melody, and here's the melody. This song has 4 parts. If you learn the 4 parts, it'll be super easy to play the whole song. The first part is by the trumpet. I'm labeling it part 1, and it sounds like this. So let's go over it slowly. You're gonna start right here on the G sharp. Follow the notes right there. 1, 2, slow, go. Good. Part 2 is also by the trumpet, and it's gonna sound like this. Follow the notes slowly right there, starting on the G sharp. 1, 2, ready, go. Good job. So part 1 and part 2 happen, and then they both happen again. And then after that, it goes on to a synthesizer part. The synthesizer part is part 3, and it sounds like this. So start on G sharp, follow the notes. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Here's part 4, still synthesizer. This part sounds exactly like one of the other parts, just a little variation, but it's gonna sound like this. Okay, so let's try it slowly. Follow the notes up there. Starting here on the G sharp. 1, 2, ready, go. And so part 3 and part 4 both happen 2 times. And I think one other place on the song, it also has the trumpet part happens 2 times again. So just part 1 and 2 is the trumpet part, part 3 and 4 is the synthesizer part, and you can just play them where you hear them in the song and play along with the song and have fun. Comment down below if you have any song requests, and I will try to do what I can. Have a great day. Bye.